On this video, we'll take a look at these ultra modern hooks in your closet, in your entranceway for your coats, in your bathroom for your towels, or anywhere else.
We're also going to take a look at some bathroom accessories that are going to make your space ultra modern for a very, very small price. Stay tuned for the whole video.
They came very securely wrapped. I love the finish. It's a matte finish. They're pretty light. It looks like this was machined out of one single piece, almost like 3D printed. They came with their own glue. Now the reason there is a glue is because there is no hole for the nail. So you will put the adhesive on the back, whichever way you want the hooks to be, with this adhesive here. It does come off. It's kind of like a very strong silicone, so if you did yank that hard enough, it would come off, and then you just use a little scraper to remove the excess. This is tile. They're supported 20 pounds. This is the bathroom that we're going to be putting it in. So you can see that the accents are black, black, black. So this is going to go quite nice, in my opinion. Now we are going to be putting it in this wall right here, and then we've got these ugly. So we obviously don't want to put it this way because the towel will fall. So this is the way that you really want to be installing this. You can actually flip these around, but I wanted to do it this way so I can hang something on here, and I can also hang something on the top end. But I'm using right now just tape. It just kind of holds it there until it dries.
Besides the hooks, I wanted to show you other black accessories that you can use as accents in your washroom or around your house. So we picked up a full washroom fixture set. So this is a modern style towel hook. And then on this side, you can see there's another one right over there. And then there's the toilet paper holder. Now there's also things like this. These are really nice single handle faucets. And I like that they don't actually shoot out on an angle, they go straight in. And then you've got your stoppers there, and then finally you have another coat hook. And then the final touch are these smoke light vintage light bulbs. They're Edison light bulbs, and they look really, really nice with the rest of the decor. So as you can see, there are quite a bunch of different accessories that you can use to just make your space fresh and more modern. So thanks for watching.